Welcome to Coconut Oil Skincare. In the last video, we promised to begin to teach you how to make your own organic skincare recipe. Today, we will begin with making papaya milk mask for your facial skin care. But before we dive in, wouldn't you want to know the basics of facial skincare? When it comes down to the basics, taking care of your facial skin is quite simple. Cleanse, tone, and moisturize your face twice per day every day. The first step is to use a cleanser. Cleansing grains gently cleanse the surface of your skin of dirt, sweat, oil, and environmental buildup to prevent redness, irritation, clogged pores, and dull, ashy skin. Following that, you'll use a facial toner to balance the pH of your skin surface and close and minimize your pores so they don't become clogged with gunk or dirt. The final and most important step is to apply a facial moisturizer. This will leave your skin with a nourishing moisture layer that is tailored to your skin type. Why should you use a moisturizer? Without one, your skin will overcorrect, resulting in overly dry or overly oily skin, which exacerbates redness, breakouts, and clogged pores. Now to our papaya milk mask. The high concentration of alpha-hydroxy acids in papaya is exfoliating and aids in the removal of dead skin cells, revealing a brightened, glowing complexion. Milk contains the desired acids as well, and the combination of papaya and milk is the gentlest and most natural exfoliant. Honey is nature's moisturizer, and this well-balanced mask exfoliates while hydrating. Requirements for making papaya milk mask include half papaya, 1 tablespoon of whole milk, 1 tablespoon of honey. Preparation and use. Slice the papaya lengthwise and scoop out the firm black seeds with a spoon. Remove the seeds from the papaya and scoop the meat into a small bowl. Mash in the honey and milk until smooth. Apply to a clean face, avoiding the eye area, and leave on for 15 minutes. To seal your pores, rinse with warm water followed by a splash of cold water. This mask should feel very cleansing, and your skin should be soft to the touch afterward. Enjoy using your papaya milk mask. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and also leave your question or comment below. See you soon.